What do Facebook, Dropbox, Uber, Airbnb, and Spotify have in common? They are now multi-million businesses, but they all started out as an MVP one day. If you have an idea for your startup and even started making research, you've probably seen one piece of advice: start with an MVP. Why is everyone talking about it? Let's figure out what is an MVP and what advantages it brings to businesses. M refers to minimum, a bare-bone foundation of future solution. V is for viable, which means enough for early adopters. And finally P, product, something that they can use or touch. Why do startups absolutely need it? It allows them to launch quickly with a small budget. Yep, you won't need years of development and thousands of dollars to get started. Hard work, yes, definitely. But not a single dollar will be spent in vain. Because why do most startups fail to begin with? Most often they run out of budgets or don't really understand market needs. With MVP building, it's simply impossible.
That's impossible!
You start small with building core functionality, collect feedback from your early users, and then adjust your product based on their feedback. With this strategy, all your moves are data-driven and evidence-based. Hear me out. I've seen so many startups that were building sophisticated, technologically advanced products, but they were doing so without showing products to users. And I can't describe the pain in their eyes when they finally realize that no one actually needs the product they've built. In general, MVP building is a resource-friendly approach, because nowadays, the faster your product gets to the market, the better. And if you plan to attract investment, MVP is a way to go, too. You won't pitch just an idea of a future solution, but the product in action. What is important to get started with MVP? Make sure you did solid market research and know exactly what problem you're solving. Then, make the list of desired features. Having all this, you can start designing and developing your product. We can help you here as we worked with startups from Y Combinator and know what startups are about. If you have any questions about MVP, please let us know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell to never miss new content about all things digital.